Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by gathering and prepping parts so construction flows. Lay out your 3/8 to 1/2-inch mesh, trim to a circle slightly larger than the frame, and inspect for uniform holes. Cut a 6/8-foot PVC ring or repurpose a split hoop, then file rough edges to avoid shredding. Attach a central swivel point where the handline will tie. Once done, align net radii markings with the frame so each spoke will match. This prevents uneven throw later. Now you fix the net to the frame and balance it. Start lashing the net edge to the PVC at 6 to 8 inch intervals using stainless twine. Pull tight, but not so tight the mesh distorts. Next, braid the inner radii into reinforced spokes leading to the swivel. This transmits centrifugal force and reduces tear risk. Finally, sew or crimp 4 6-pound weight pockets evenly around the hem so the net sinks uniformly. Make sure to test tension as you go. Balance is key to a proper spread. Complete the build by securing and testing your net. Trim stray lines, seal knots with marine adhesive, and allow curing time. You then perform dry runs. Practice a few short throws to check spread and sink. If the net folds, rebalance by moving weight pockets or shortening a spoke. If it collapses, tighten lashings and reinforce with extra twine. Once satisfied, do several full throws. Make sure to inspect after every use for abrasion and repair small tears immediately to prevent.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.